everyone, and welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an Easter bunny. The first step is to draw an oval for the Easter bunny's head. Next, we're going to draw the ears. For this right ear, I'm going to draw a long line coming out, curving around, and then back down to the head. Then a smaller one that's the same shape inside. For the left ear, I'm going to have it flopping over. Start with 2 lines, one a little longer than the other. Start at the top of the longer line and draw a diagonal line coming down to the left, curving back up, and then coming back to the point you started. Draw 2 parallel lines for the inside part of the ear. Next, we're going to draw an Easter egg that the Easter bunny is sitting in. Draw a big U shape. Then draw a zigzag line at the top connecting the 2 tops of the U. Draw a line connecting the head to the egg on each side of the bunny. This is the body. Next, we're going to add the face. We'll start with the eyes, drawing a circle with a smaller circle inside. Keep the smaller circle white and fill in the rest with black. For the nose, add a small rounded triangle with the point facing down, and then 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the nose and curving out and up. For an extra detail, draw 2 more curved lines on the body for the bunny's belly. And now it's time to decorate the egg. Have fun with this part and be creative. You can make your egg look however you want. Add as many colors, shapes, and designs that you can think of. When you're finished drawing, it is time to color. Be creative and have fun.